The big policy push that came through today was by the Reserve Bank of India. It has cut the CRR by 100 basis points, and that by doing so, it's injected 40,000 crore fresh liquidity into the system. Remember, this is the third CRR cut that's come through in 9 days, adding up to 250 basis points. The RBI showing it's quick to move when it's necessary. Ira Duggal joins us now for a perspective on this move, and she's been talking to a number of bankers who, of course, are tracking every single move by the Reserve Bank of India. Ira, what is the key takeaway from your interaction with bankers? They've obviously welcomed the liquidity boost. What's next?
Manvi, I think the key takeaway from this is the fact that the RBI is attacking this problem one at a time. The current problem was one of liquidity tightness. On a daily basis, banks have been borrowing heavily from the RBI, and also there were various anecdotal reports suggesting that credit is not flowing to the real sector. That's something the finance minister alluded to, and to address that problem, you've had this cash reserve ratio come in at an appropriate point in time. What's important, like you pointed out, in just a matter of 9 days, you've seen the cash reserve ratio come down from 9% to 6.5%. It's added cumulatively about 1 lakh crore of liquidity into the market to take care of the immediate liquidity problem at hand, and it is expected to ease the money markets and the interbank money markets as well. The other point, of course, that is there is that this is being seen purely as a liquidity measure. So if anybody is looking to the RBI for an interest rate cue or a cue to signal interest rates moving down, that has not come yet. So it's a very fine balancing act between the inflation story, the growth story. Right now, they're sticking with liquidity and tackling that issue. Whether they go ahead with a rate cut still remains to be seen. They're also looking at some targeted measures. If I could quickly bring those in. On the mutual fund side, they had announced a special repo operation, which didn't have many takers. Now they've come in and eased the window and tried to make it easier for banks to access that window, hoping that mutual funds who have been starved of cash won't find a duff. Also on the oil marketing company side, they've said that once oil bonds come into the system, they'll start the window again for oil companies to access the RBI window for foreign exchange immediately. So it's a targeted measure, but a broader downward direction on interest rates is not coming just yet.